Yo, what's up everybody, and today I'm gonna talk about a gaming PC that does not break the bank for no more than $200. Let's get started. The first thing I bought is a Dell Optiplex 3050 MT version, which is an i5 7500, 8GB DDR4 memory, and a 2TB mechanical hard drive that has a pre-installed Windows 11. I don't know why they put Windows 11 in a slow mechanical hard drive, but that's not what I'm going to talk about in today's video. So it cost me a whopping $99.99. The other parts that I bought is a single stick of 8GB of memory, 2400 MHz of eBay for around $24.99. For the storage, I bought it's a Team Group M.2 NVMe 512GB SSD for around $23.99 on Amazon. And lastly, saving the best for last, is an OEM RX 550 4GB matter that costs $33. In the total, after the taxes, it cost me around $191.97. Then the problems have started. The problem that I ran into is that I have two 4GB sticks instead of one of the single 8GB sticks of RAM. This is what happens when you buy stuff on eBay and you can contact the seller, so don't be like me, guys. Yes, I get it that some sellers may not know anything about what's inside of it, but oh well. for a $200 gaming PC that I just put together and benchmarked in this video, I think this computer performs really well as long as you put the right settings in it, like I just did in all the games that I put in this video. So yeah, but games like Destiny 2, I tried putting it at the bottom of the barrel settings, but good like 1080p or 720p. It's still a steady mess. Maybe if I had an extra 4GB in that one stick instead of like a 4GB stick, it should be like an 8 one instead of the 16GB of RAM. This may work, but at the same time, I think if you put a better graphics card with the CPU that I paired with my Radeon card, it should be a lot better experience than what I've had here. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel if you think this video is helpful to you, and I also have my affiliate links for the SSD that I purchased on Amazon. That way, whenever you buy it, I get a small commission off that purchase whenever you buy it from my link. So yeah, don't forget to check out my Discord server so you could see all the other stuff like PC deals, some other electronic deals, as well as many more. And I'm trying to keep my Discord server active, so if you want to help me get it active, then thank you. So like this video if it's also helpful. I don't know why I said it, but anyways, see you guys in the next video.